man, you are going. We just want to pick up all the ladies in the place again, you know what I'm saying? We could be otherwise minded, but we choose to be here, so we give thanks, you know what I'm saying? Some from all our vibes, you understand? So you are going now. I know everybody probably familiar with this song I'm about to sing, so we're going to sing to it and rock out and hold our vibe, you hear that? Kenny Blessing, bless him. Hold vibe, every singer there, entertain. Let's sing this one together. Come on, hold our vibes now, man. Ready? When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is in